Today, we delve into a tech titan's troubles, Apple's China predicament. The world's most valuable company is grappling with a number of challenges in the Middle Kingdom. One of the most significant is its dwindling market share. Once a dominant player, Apple now finds itself outpaced by local brands such as Huawei and Xiaomi, who offer competitive products at a fraction of the price. The impact of this intense local competition cannot be overstated. Apple's premium pricing strategy, which works so well in other markets, is proving to be a double-edged sword in China. Consumers are increasingly opting for homegrown brands, which offer high-quality products without the hefty price tag. Adding to Apple's woes is the ongoing trade war between China and the United States. While the company has so far managed to weather the storm, the escalating tensions could potentially lead to higher tariffs on Apple products, further eroding its competitive edge. But it's not all doom and gloom for the Cupertino giant. The company has been making concerted efforts to turn the tide. It has been focusing on services like Apple Music and iCloud to drive revenue growth. The company is also ramping up its product portfolio, offering a wider range of products to cater to different consumer segments. Despite these efforts, the road ahead is fraught with challenges. Apple's China problem is not just about market share or competition. It's a complex interplay of geopolitical tensions, economic realities, and changing consumer preferences. As we navigate this labyrinth, we must keep in mind that Apple's China problem is not an isolated issue. It's a part of a larger narrative that involves other markets and the company's overall strategy. As we can see, Apple's China problem is a complex issue that the company is actively trying to navigate. Welcome to Magnificent 7 Investing, where we help you make informed decisions about your investments. Here, our mission is to empower you with knowledge and insights that help you navigate the complex world of investing with ease and confidence. We aim to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the market, breaking down complex economic trends into digestible insights. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into Apple's challenges in our next segment. Now shifting our focus from the east to the west, we turn to Apple's future US problems. Apple, a tech giant, has been enjoying a pretty smooth ride in its home turf. But like a storm on a sunny day, certain issues are brewing that could potentially rain on Apple's parade. First up, regulatory scrutiny. As Apple's influence grows, so does the attention from regulators. And we all know that's not the kind of attention any company wants. The US Department of Justice, Federal Trade Commission, and several state attorneys general are already probing into Apple's business practices. While no concrete actions have been taken yet, the consistent scrutiny could potentially lead to hefty fines or even a mandate to alter business practices. Next, we have the plateauing iPhone sales. The iPhone, Apple's flagship product, has seen a slow but steady decline in sales over the past few years. Now don't get me wrong, the iPhone is still a bestseller, but the question is, for how long? With the smartphone market saturated and consumers holding onto their devices longer, Apple might need to rethink its strategy. Last but not least, the increasing competition. Apple is no stranger to competition, but the landscape is changing. New players are entering the market and old rivals are stepping up their game. From Google's Pixel to Samsung's Galaxy and the rise of affordable yet powerful Chinese smartphones, the competition is fierce. And let's not forget, the tech industry is a fast-paced world. Today's leader can be tomorrow's follower. So, are these US problems a mirror image of Apple's China issues? Well, the similarities are uncanny. Regulatory scrutiny, fierce competition, and a saturated market were all factors that contributed to Apple's China problem. And it seems like history is poised to repeat itself, this time in Apple's home ground. While Apple's US problems are still on the horizon, they are a looming shadow the company cannot ignore. So, what does this all mean for Apple and for you, the investor? As we pull back and take in the broader view, we see a complex tapestry where Apple's China problem and potential US issues form a crucial part of the narrative. It's a tale of a titan grappling with geopolitical realities and market dynamics. Yet, it's also a story about the power of diversification and innovation. Apple's challenges in China and a possible storm brewing on the home front underline the importance of a diversified product portfolio. As any savvy investor knows, diversification isn't just about spreading risk, but also about seizing opportunities. Apple's rich product mix, from iPhones to iPads, Macs to watches, services to wearables, is a testament to this strategy. However, the road ahead is not without bumps. These issues, if not addressed, could impact Apple's bottom line and subsequently, its stock price. It's a reminder that even the most robust companies are not immune to external forces and market fluctuations. Yet Apple's history is rich with instances of overcoming hurdles and emerging stronger. After all, this is the company that revolutionized personal computing, reshaped the music industry, and redefined mobile technology. It's a company built on innovation, resilience, and a relentless drive to create products that change lives. So, as we ponder over Apple's current challenges, let's not lose sight of the bigger picture. A picture that is as much about today's trials as it is about tomorrow's potential triumphs. A picture that reminds us, Apple isn't just a company, it's a legacy. In the world of investing, change is the only constant, and Apple's current predicament exemplifies this perfectly. We've unpacked quite a bit today about Apple's challenges. From the complexities in China to potential hurdles in the US, it's clear that navigating the tech landscape is no easy feat. But what's your take on this? Do you see these as bumps on the road, or warning signs of a bigger issue? Perhaps you have a unique viewpoint or an interesting prediction to share. We're all about fostering a community of informed investors here at Magnificent 7 Investing. Your thoughts, opinions, and insights matter, not just to us but to all our viewers. So don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Let's get a conversation going. And if you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more people and spread the word about informed investing. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We're continuously creating content that helps you stay informed and make your investments work for you. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to Magnificent 7 Investing for more insightful content. Stay informed and make your investments work for you.